Hey girl, hey boy, I'm back. It's been 2 weeks and 2 days since I've had these Boho Locs, the mermaid, installed in my hair. I almost took my hair down within the 2 week period. Well, actually, 2 days ago, I almost did it. And I was like, I'm actually enjoying this. So why would I take it down? I didn't have any intentions on styling it, but I did do a little up, half up, half down type of thing. I laid my edges. I put my burgundy mascara on like I told you about in the previous video, and I put on some the gel, and I went on and did the thing there. What I can say, the hair is holding up really well. All I do to maintain it, I'll have it in like one of those long bonnets for locks and braids, and then I'll just take some random braid spray, whatever I got. I don't even know the name of it. I just spray it in my hands and I just run through my hair like this, because you know how natural hair does. It wants to love on each other. So I just go through to release the snags, and just it actually, I noticed like the frizz goes down a little bit, and it gives it a more shine too, of course, because it's a braid sheen spray. But anyway, so that's pretty much what I did. What I'm excited about is I am going to be reusing these locks. I don't know if I'll be able to reuse these little like thin stringy hairs, but because they do get tangled. As you can see, it's kind of tangly. Then again, knowing me, I might try to reuse some of these, because I do want that frizzy look. So they might give me that frizz factor that I'm looking for. But I'm still very much loving this. I'm actually loving it more now than I did in the beginning. I'm loving it more now than I thought I would. I didn't, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't expecting this. And what I did with the half up, half down, I incorporated my beloved puff cuffs. Hashtag support a sister. Hashtag support a sister. Hashtag supporting a sister with this whole look. I'm projecting that I'll be able to reuse these locks at least another 3 times. Plus, I have another full head of hair left over. Okay, just to give you an idea of the value. So like when I'm ready to get rid of these, I'll be able to break out that other set with the stringy pieces and all. Okay, what else? I am so glad that I kept my hair loose up front so that I can pull it back and it looks like it's a believable growing out. Like my locks kind of grew out a little bit and I'm just pulling them up. I really love that. As far as the hair jewels, what I did notice is that the hair jewels, they started to lose their gold sheen after about, I would say, 7 days. So if you're somebody who doesn't like that, for me, it's not a deal breaker, because it was an add-on. I have plenty of things I can put in my hair. But if you're somebody who might not be really into changing out your hair accessories regularly, like I am, then that might be something that you consider. Pick yourself up a few packs of like the aluminum gold pieces or whatever to add in. Just know you'll need to take those out, unless you go over them. Maybe you might be able to paint them with some clear nail polish. That's an option. That's what I used to do with any like fake gold or something. You could just paint over it to allow it to last. I mean, after all, it's only hair jewels. And speaking of which, I like to incorporate my own. Like this used to be an earring. I think it started off as a necklace, and then I made it into a single earring, and now it's a hair accessory. I do have some DIYs on this channel. I will link a playlist up here for if you want to figure out or decide what pieces you want to start using as hair accessories, how to do it, how you can bedazzle yourself and be as glamorous and as gorgeous as you are, show the world, okay? What else about this hair? Everything so far so good. It's been over 2 weeks, 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 days. And I really I didn't know I was going to like this half up, half down look, but I'm glad to have it up off my face and to like be able to wear, earrings that's showing. Yeah, I'm excited for this. I don't know. I'm stalking that website. I might have to go back for that queen. I want the queen locks next. Or will I stick with this color for a while? I don't know. And remember, I told you, you saw how I only used 2 cornrows and some chunky braids in the back. Next time, I might not even do all that. I know that I'm not going to do 4. I think next time I might just go with 2 chunky braids or 2 cornrows. I'm definitely keeping the front like I have it with the looser twists. But yeah, I'm thinking I might do that. Yeah. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I always say that. If I remember what it is, or if there's anything I need to share with you guys that, I didn't hear, I will put it in the description. This is not a sponsor video, but hashtag support a sister. Oh, the back. I didn't show you back. You might be able, can you see? You might be able to see all the colors. That's why I wanted to show you the back, because in the last video, I don't think I was able to, the colors didn't really show through. So, and this is the first time that I actually ever did an install with color. And this is the first time that I actually had faux hair in my head with like a wig or anything with more than 2 colors, 1B and then 2 other colors. I've never done this ever in my life. And this is the first time. What was the other one? I don't even remember. Anyway, until the next video, live simply, be kind.